Only condensed milk and a frying pan. Pour the condensed milk into the bowl. Crack 2 eggs. Sift flour. Add baking powder. Mix the batter until you obtain a smooth consistency without lumps. Scoop some of the mixture with a ladle. Fry the pancakes covered, 4 minutes on both sides until they brown nicely. In the bowl with sour cream, add powdered sugar and whipped cream stabilizer. Mix until you get a firm cream. Assemble a cake from layers of pancakes and cream. Spread the edges of the cake with cream and smooth on all sides with the spatula. Decorate the cake with dark chocolate cut with a peeler and put the cake in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Pour honey into the cup. Add instant coffee. Pour hot water and stir a little. In the glass with whipped cream, add vanilla sugar. Pour milk. Whisk until it becomes frothy. Pour the foam into the cup with coffee. Sprinkle with cinnamon. A beautiful and delicious dessert that you fall in love with at first sight. It is made from a few inexpensive ingredients without baking very easily and disappears quickly from the plate.